Hello, driving intelligence community. I want to touch base with you on my 1985 Mustang SVO and talk about a mistake I made years ago when I originally bought this car. It just became apparent to me when I was doing some restoration work over the past couple weeks. I went aftermarket and bought a heavy-duty sway bar and installed it, and it turns out that this was not the right thing to do. Keep watching and I'll show you what I did. So I'm under the car. Here's my big fat sway bar. I bought it as an aftermarket unit. I think I bought this from Ford Motorsport as a heavier duty, thicker sway bar to further improve the handling of this Mustang SVO, which was actually really good in the first place. The problem is this bar is shorter from end to end than the original Mustang SVO sway bar, and you can see that as evidenced by the angle of this end link. So I should not have put an aftermarket sway bar. As a matter of fact, I've checked the internet and they do not make, at least I have not been able to find an aftermarket sway bar, improved sway bar for the Mustang SVO. They're all Mustang GT or Mustang LX related. You can see here that because of the angle, it's pushed the bushing out. That bushing has been squeezed out, and you can see it's damaging these other bushings, and the same thing has happened on the other side. That bushing is being squeezed out as well. So I'm going to take this sway bar off, and hopefully I can find a good home for it with somebody that has a Mustang GT and put the original sway bar back on. Sway bar removed. You can see the Mustang GT sway bar, the black one, has a significantly different geometry than the stock Mustang SVO sway bar, which is rusty. So this should make a difference in my handling and stop destroying my end links. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. You can do nothing better than that to help my channel. The moral of this story: thoroughly investigate any kind of aftermarket parts before you install them. If I had put the two sway bars next to each other, I would have noticed that there was a difference in geometry, but I was too young at that time and inexperienced to realize that it was a problem. I made it work, and it didn't work. The Mustang SVO was an outstanding handling car from the factory. It was designed to compete with the European imports, the European GTs that were coming into the country. Now I'll have it back to original stock form, other than the Eibach lowering springs. I've still got the conies on it, so the car should handle as it was originally designed. Thanks for watching. Give me that thumbs up, and please subscribe.